Today, I am reviewing Epson WorkForce ES-580W. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a high-performance, versatile document scanner for your home office, business, or personal use, the Epson WorkForce ES-580W is one of the best options available today. This wireless color duplex desktop scanner combines speed, convenience, and reliability in one compact device, making it perfect for anyone who handles a large volume of documents or images on a regular basis. One of the standout features of the ES-580W is its wireless connectivity paired with a 4.3-inch intuitive touchscreen. This makes it incredibly easy to scan documents directly to your smartphone, tablet, computer, or even cloud storage accounts like Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, or Evernote. You don't even need a computer for most tasks, as it supports direct scanning to USB, email, or cloud services, saving you both time and effort. When it comes to speed and efficiency, this scanner is a true powerhouse. The 100-sheet auto document feeder, ADF, allows you to load multiple pages at once, and the single-step technology captures both sides of a document in one pass. You can scan up to 35 pages per minute in black and white, grayscale, or color mode at 300 dpi, which is perfect for busy offices or students handling large workloads. The ES-580W also includes advanced features like double feed detection, which ensures no pages are skipped or misfed, and slow scan mode for delicate or unusual documents. The image quality on the ES-580W is excellent. With up to 1200 dpi resolution and 30-bit color input, scanned images are sharp, vibrant, and true to the original. Whether you're scanning contracts, receipts, photos, or reports, you can trust that every detail will be accurately captured. Additionally, the scanner supports optical character recognition, OCR, allowing you to convert scans into searchable PDFs or editable Word and Excel files. This is ideal for keeping your documents organized and fully digital. Another advantage of the ES-580W is its compact and lightweight design, measuring just 11.6 inches by 11.6 inches and weighing around 3.7 kilograms. Despite its small footprint, it's a full-featured desktop scanner, making it easy to fit in small workspaces without sacrificing performance. And thanks to the LED light source and CCD optical sensor technology, you get consistent, reliable scanning without warm-up delays or uneven lighting. For connectivity, the scanner is extremely versatile. It works with both Windows and Mac systems, supporting Windows 7 through 11 and macOS 10.7 through 12, with additional support for some newer macOS models. Wi-Fi connectivity allows for flexible placement on your desk, and the Epson Smart Panel app makes controlling the device simple and user-friendly. In summary, the Epson WorkForce ES-580W is a powerful, reliable, and flexible scanner that makes document management easier than ever. Its combination of high-speed scanning, duplex capability, wireless connectivity, intuitive touchscreen, and cloud integration sets it apart from other scanners in its class. Whether you're a small business owner, student, or professional looking to go paperless, the ES-580W delivers speed, accuracy, and convenience in one sleek package. With a 1-year limited warranty and a strong reputation for durability, it's a scanner designed to handle everyday office demands while keeping your workflow efficient and organized. If you want a top-tier document scanner that saves time and improves productivity, the Epson WorkForce ES-580W is an excellent choice.